Hey guys, it's Emily here. So I have a very exciting unboxing video today. I have a Muncie High doll Frankie in this box, brand new. So long story short, I had all the original Muncie High dolls. Yes, I had. I sold them all at a yard sale. Yes, biggest mistake I made. I was younger, wasn't really thinking about it, you know what I mean? Originally I was into American Girl dolls more. I kind of outgrew the smaller, dolls. So I went on and started collecting more of them. So I did sell them to get something else that I liked it. But still, I wish I freaking kept them. They were so cool. The Muncie High dolls is just so very interesting. I love Halloween, so it's like right up my alley. But like I said, they kind of came out a little too late for me. When I was younger, the Bratz dolls and Barbie was, more popular before the Muncie High came out. So I really wish I kept them. But I've been wanting to get back into them and collect them. I always thought they were cool, but I just, they weren't really like a childhood thing for me in some way. I didn't really play with them or really anything, but I always thought they were so cool. So now since I'm an adult collector, even though I still don't play with dolls, I still really love them. And I decided, hey, no matter what age you are never too old for dolls. And I finally realized that as an adult collector now. So let's open this Frankie. So this is not the first Muncie High doll that we got. I did end up getting Cleo, and she's still in her box. I got her off of eBay. Yeah, she was my favorite. So I got her and she's just been sitting out in my room. I really love her. And then I ended up finding the witch. I'm sorry, I forget what her name is. I found her off of Goodwill when I went there. She is missing her shoes, but her dress is very pretty. And yes, her hair was a little bit chopped, but she's so cute. And yeah, so those are the two that I have. And I really wanted to get Frankie. I thought about getting the original one, but first of all, it's so much money. Second of all, I missed all of these fun outfits and fun ideas that they did that I wanted to get a little bit different because, like I said, I collected them when they first came out. And like I said, I grew out of them, so I never got to see all the cool things they did. And I definitely regret that, so don't harass me on that. But here I am again, and now I love them, and I will definitely cherish these. So let's open this. I'm trying to open it with the tape. I got this for $40, by the way. So very good deal for a brand new doll. Open her up. Bubble wrap, can always need that. So this is from a movie. I never saw the movies, but I saw them like the little TV shows that they did, little episodes they did on the website. So I have saw those. This is the box, what the box looks like. The box is kind of crushed, which is okay because I'm going to be taking her out of the box. I know, you might think, Emily, that sounds crazy, but yeah, I will be. So I'm going to get down lower, and yes, my Coach Bride posters, they're so cute. So yeah, this is the box, what it first looks like. I haven't saw her yet, I'm not looking now. But yeah, so the box says, this year we wanted to pay tribute to the ghosts of Halloween past by walking some old school control. These are the fashions that monsters and even our parents used to wear back in the night when they were still cool. The fashions, not our parents. I mean, our parents had to be cool too. Otherwise, they wouldn't have been haunting out in such scary street styles, right? Anyway, we had the best time digging through history, and we think the past looks pretty cool on present, don't you? So that is like the little description. But yeah, so let me see her first. Oh my god, so fun. Here she is. She looks so fun. It's having a glare. Oh my goodness, she looks so cool. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, she looks so fun. Oh my goodness, should we take her out? I keep saying, oh my goodness. But, yeah, let's open her. I probably will throw this box away. I hate to say that, but the box is not that intrigued. I like the artwork that this has a lot. That's why she's still in her box. Plus, I love Cleo. If they ever came back, 'cause I know they might be coming back in 2022. If they make another original Cleo, I probably will get another one and unbox her, because she's just my favorite, like I said. So that's why she's still in her box. But Frankie, I'm gonna open. So I forget, which one is this called? Oh, Ghouls Wool. That's what it is. The Ghouls Wool one. I forget what it's called, but I almost got the Circus Frankie. It was between that one or this one. I still kind of want to get the Circus Frankie, but I'm like, maybe I just need one of her. I don't know. So comment down oh my goodness, can't talk. Comment down below if you think I should get the other Frankie from the Circus one, because I really love her too. But yeah, that I'm gonna buy an outfit, an extra outfit. I saw someone selling it of her outfit from the Circus one. I could just buy that and just change this Frankie doll. I could always do that, you know what I mean? So let's open her up. Oh my goodness, it's been so long since I opened a Monster High doll. Like I said, I'm gonna get back into them. I missed so many good stuff. I wish they came out when I was still into them. Biggest regret. So this is kind of hard to open. Put the box over there. So this is everything she comes with. She has a black stand, which I love. Really good to display them. A hairbrush, black hairbrush. She has this really cool not coffin. I forget what it is called. You think I would know, because you think I would know these things. Cold drum, there we go. I just had to think about it. Cold drum here. I don't know if it's like a bag or what necessarily it is, but it's really cool. And especially since I have the witch, again, I forget what her name is. This will look so cool with though. So that's a really cool accessory. I love the little blue bag pail. It is so cute. It is adorable. I love it. And then it looks like, I think this is a ring or something. I'm not too sure. But here she is. This feels really unreal, guys. I just don't know. I feel like I shouldn't open her. But she is so cute. Okay, so let's do it. Let's do it. Let's open her. So I guess we should open the stuff first. So her stand. You probably can't see it, but it says Monster High on it. So open this stuff up first. I guess I'll just rip the box a little bit, because I'm not keeping it. But it's really cool. I like the background a lot. The stand. Very helpful. They get, I did it backward. Gives you the stand, because it definitely helps if you want to, have your dolls standing. Then the hairbrush. Black hairbrush. Really cute. I love the black. It could have been blue or black. I would love it. I love blue and black. That's my favorite. So let's do the cold drum. Take the cold drum out. Oh, this is cute. Looks like it's bubbling. Can you see that? So cute. I like that. That's really cool. And then open the little bucket here. Her little blue bucket. And it has Frankie's symbol on there too, which I love. The skull with the I guess stitches, staples. I don't know what you want to call it. Stitches. Yeah, I don't know what I'm talking about. On there. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, you could tell I'm tired. I had work today, so don't judge me. But yeah, that is so cute. I really, really like it. Put that there. Then we have, I don't know what this is, to be honest. I'll be honest, I really don't know what this is. So I'm going to have to look it up. I think it's a wing. I think it is. But I'm not too sure. So that's what it looks like. I don't know if you can see it. That's what it looks like. So let's open her up. So let me take a photo, because I want to take a photo of this. Because I'm unable to take a photo because I'm filming with my phone. So let me take a photo of this. Plus, you can see her up close. Oh my goodness, so pretty. Okay, so let's open her up because it's probably better for me to do that. I feel so guilty opening her up because, like, I know people usually keep them in boxes, but I am not going to keep her in the box. I want her out so everyone can see her. So, yeah. Like, I get the whole box thing, but I think it's more fun when you have them out because you actually can feel their hair, touch their outfit, see them better. I don't know. What's your opinion, guys? Do you like your stuff better in boxes or out? Okay, I have... Oh, wow. She is really in here. Hold on. This is going to take us some time. She is really in here. Okay, first of all, I forgot to pull this out. But here's a little Frankie card. And then here's the rest of them on the back. So I need to watch that movie because I found it on, I found it on YouTube, believe it or not. You can watch the whole thing. So, sorry that the video was cut. Yeah, I had an issue with my phone. So, and anyways, I'm filming this outside so you can actually see her a lot better. I decided to do a close-up on her. So, here is Miss Frankie with her beautiful, beautiful outfit. Very, very cute. My favorite is definitely the shoes. Oh yeah, I got the sparklies going on there. Cute sparkles. So we're gonna open her up. So first of all, her makeup is beautiful. I love the blue like lighten bolts. I think they're so freaking cool. I love her blue lip. I know usually she has like red, but I think the blue just fits her a lot better. And she's just so cute. So we're gonna open her up. Now, I did not show you guys this. So this is like her little, I don't know what you want to call it, but yeah, you do it on the face there. But yeah, also don't mind my bone. I got bone yesterday. But yeah, so that is really cool. Put that over there. I have the rest of the stuff here. Let me do a close-up. So here's the little cold drum. I really like that. One of the reasons why I love this is you get such cool accessories with it. This is another reason why I picked this one. And then I still don't know what this is. This little thing. It's like in here. But yeah, I think it's a ring. I'm pretty sure. Hairbrush. And then stand. And then the little Frankie. Little Frankie poso. So let's unbox her. I think, yeah, I need to cut her a little bit because she's still kind of in here. I don't know where she... Oh, I think it's in her hair. Okay, it is in her hair. Okay, I'm gonna stop this so I can actually do it. Okay, I was able to get her. She actually had 2 strands connecting to her hair on this side and this side. Honestly, that was not fun because I thought I was gonna cut her hair and I was terrified. So let's actually see her for the first time. I love her pose. That's why I kind of wish I wasn't opening her. But she is a gorgeous, gorgeous girl. And let's see the hair. Oh my goodness. I also like the reason why I love this doll too is if you can't tell, she has these like shimmering black in her hair. You probably can see a little bit. My camera keeps going on focus, but it is very cool and it's very different too compared to her normal hairstyle. I just think it's really cool. She has a lot more black in her hair than what she usually does. So yeah, her jewelry, very fun. Oh, look, she has shimmy eyeshadow on, like underneath her eyes. So cute. Again, her outfit, her jewelry is awesome. Her jacket, her dress, very awesome. The shoes, so freaking cool. I think she's just amazing. I just love her very, very much. But yeah, I'm gonna try to put her on the stand just like this because she just looks so fabulous. So, oh my goodness, guys, thank you so much for watching. Definitely with this patient video. I had to do a couple for this, but thank you so much for watching. She's absolutely gorgeous and I love her so much. So this is kind of technically my second Frankie doll, even though I don't have my first one anymore, but I love this one and I will cherish so thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and maybe I'll do more Monster High videos.